This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Install fresh batteries in the universal remote and make sure the Sony TV is powered on. Once done, find the TV model number or the remote's code list so you can match codes quickly. This avoids blind guessing and saves time. Press the remote's device button for TV and hold the setup key until the indicator blinks. This puts the remote into programming mode. Make sure the room lighting doesn't obscure the remote's IR emitter while you continue. You now perform the core programming. If you have a code, enter the 3 or 4-digit number while the remote is in setup mode and wait for the confirmation blink. Then test power and volume to verify. If codes aren't available, use auto search. Hold the code search or channel down button and point the remote at the TV while it cycles. When the TV responds, press the select or enter key to lock in the code. Make sure to test input switching and mute too, because those confirm full compatibility. You finish by saving the working code to the remote and confirming all essential functions operate: power, volume, input, guide. If a button fails, reprogram using a different code from the list or repeat the auto search process. Sometimes codes vary by region. If nothing works, replace batteries, remove any objects blocking the IR path, and verify the TV's IR sensor is clean. These simple fixes resolve most issues. Lastly, keep the remote code written down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.